Hey there! Welcome to Live Better Now. If you want to discover amazing secrets to improve your health, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any valuable tips. Do you already use coconut oil in your diet? If not, you might be missing out on a powerful ingredient that can do wonders for your health. But don't worry, because today I'm going to share some surprising benefits of coconut oil that could change your routine. And stay with me until the end because I have a special surprise for you. Coconut oil has been gaining popularity, but many people still don't realize how beneficial it can be. It's not just any fat. It contains unique properties that help with fat burning, brain health, and even boosting your immune system. One of the biggest benefits of coconut oil is its ability to boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. It contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are quickly converted into energy by the body instead of being stored as fat. Studies show that replacing regular oils with coconut oil can speed up metabolism and promote natural weight loss. Coconut oil also plays a crucial role in brain health. It serves as an excellent energy source for the brain, helping to prevent neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Research suggests that the ketones produced from coconut oil can provide an alternative energy source for brain cells, improving memory and cognitive function over time. Another incredible benefit is its ability to strengthen the immune system. Coconut oil has powerful anti-microbial properties which help fight bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Lauric acid, one of its key components, has been shown to eliminate harmful pathogens and improve overall immunity. By including coconut oil in your diet, you can support your body's defense system and reduce the risk of infections. Coconut oil can also help balance blood sugar levels. It improves insulin sensitivity, reducing insulin resistance and preventing spikes in blood glucose. This makes it a valuable addition to the diet of those looking to manage their blood sugar levels more effectively and lower their risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Now that you know how powerful coconut oil is, why not start using it in your daily routine? A simple change in your diet can bring impressive health benefits. And as promised, here's the surprise. Click the link in the bio to check out the best deals on supplements to boost your health. Did you like this video? Leave a like, share it with your friends, and comment below if you already use coconut oil in your routine. See you in the next video.